What's that? What's that?
So now I'll connect it to my tablet. And I'm going to... What you want?
Sit down. Here. What's that? Can you show me? Thank you for studying.
Thank you, Daddy.
Are you happy? Like it? You can use it now. Thank you then, baby.
I didn't expect you to buy a pencil. You have more important things to buy.
Thank you, baby.
Today I got this Apple Pencil as a surprise gift from my parents. I've always wanted one because you can use it for drawing, editing, and also you can just use it for your tablet or anything. It's also because I like drawing and editing a lot and I want to learn how to do it properly, so I really wanted this. And I will also be unboxing this today. Can I have a pen? Oh. Wow. Okay. So inside is the manual, and there is an extra tip and a charger. And this is the Apple Pencil. So now I'll connect it to my tablet. Before using the pencil, you need to charge it with the USB cable. So you need to remove the top. So you need to charge it. After that, you need to replace the tip. Then when you're done, then you can start connecting your pencil to your tablet or gadget. So this is the tip. Let's change it. So to undo it. Then I need to change the tip. So satisfying. So fast charging in pair, you need to connect your pencil to your tablet like this. How to connect it and use it for the first time, I will connect it to my tablet first and then I will charge it later. So all you need to do is to put in the cable in. So now I'm going to pair it. You also but before that you need to make sure that the Bluetooth is on so that you're able to pair it. Now I'm going to pair it. Now it's connected. Now we'll try it. So for the highlighter, you can use the whole thing or just use. And the harder you press, the darker it'll be. And if you just press it really lightly, it will be very, very light. Okay, so I'm going to charge it now. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And also please hit the notification bell. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Ay, ready yung alyon.
Ako rin agad. Ano din ako?
They have cream pasta. Kasi may cream pasta. Ay, you've tried their carbonara here. It's nice, right? Ate orders that.
Ah, okay. Nice one. Okay.
I don't cream pasta so much. I only like either the red or the oil. But they say it's nice as well. We've tried it and so Julie, that's her favorite. This is too nice. You want that? Ayaw ba din? Ayaw mong mag-iba? Naubos ba niya?
Trying who's this? This from the Expane. So,
And then we'll just get sides. Oh, the drink, I don't know if you like it. It looks like that, minus
so now, can you write the name?
ice. It has mint. You can choose to have gelato. We order the one without gelato.
Only mint ice. Mint one.
That's so nice. You want that?
Without gelato. Without gelato, yeah.
Bye-bye.
This one, this
Nice.